Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can export videos on CapCut PC without the CapCut PC watermark. So for instance, I want to export this one. I've already logged in, so it's not going to be there. But if you select export and your name isn't, well, there's like a sign that says like remove watermark. You do need to sign in into your CapCut account. So we're just going to do that real quick, and then you won't have any more CapCut PC watermark to deal with. It's super simple to sign up for this, so just do that first. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to go back to CapCut PC, and then you're just going to export it. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!